Please repeat after me. A woodcutter's axe fell into the river. He was crying. God appeared. He asked, "Why are you crying?" The woodcutter said, "My axe fell into the river." God dived into the river. He brought a golden axe. He asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No." God dived a second time. He brought a silver axe. He asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "No." God dived a third time. He brought an iron axe. He asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter said, "Yes." God was happy with his honesty. He gave him all the three axes as a reward.